big bunch of hogs. We had a good quick hunt this morning. Dogs bayed up real fast. We had these two hogs bayed up. Hog man dropped the first one. The other one didn't know where we was at, and he dropped that one too. So we got two hogs on the ground, and we got to go to work now, getting them out and getting them skinned, ready to go on the grill. We had a good hunt this morning and got these two nice sized hogs out. Had a good bay. We're fixing to put them to use. We know some people that really could appreciate this meat here, and we're gonna make sure they get all they want.